In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the delta symbol into your Google Sheets document. This process might seem a bit daunting at first glance, but I promise you, it's straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step. Let's get started. First, we need to open Google Drive. If you're not already there, go ahead, open your web browser, and navigate to the Google Drive page. Once you're in, the next step is to open Google Docs. You might be wondering why Google Docs. We'll use it to access the special characters menu since Google Sheets doesn't have this feature directly. When you're inside Google Docs, look towards the top left corner and click on File. From there, scroll down and select Symbols. At this point, you'll see a menu pop up. In this menu, you need to select Special Characters. This option allows you to find and insert a whole host of characters that aren't typically found on your keyboard, including the delta symbol. Once the Special Characters window is open, you'll see a search bar. Type in Delta. Almost instantly, you'll see the delta symbol appear in the results below. Click on the delta symbol, and it will be inserted into your Google Doc. Now, we need to transfer this symbol over to your Google Sheet. First, close the Special Characters window to return to your document. Highlight the delta symbol by clicking and dragging over it. With it highlighted, right-click on the symbol and choose Copy. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac, whichever you find easiest. Next, it's time to open your Google Sheet. Just go back to your Google Drive and select the Google Sheet you want to work in. Find the cell where you'd like to insert the delta symbol and click on it to ensure it's active and ready to receive text or characters. Once the appropriate cell in your Google Sheet is selected, right-click within the cell and select Paste. Again, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. You should see the delta symbol appear right in the cell as if by magic. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a delta symbol into your Google Sheets document. Remember, this method can also be used for any other special characters you might need. It's a handy trick that can really enhance the way you present your data or information in Google Sheets. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to use special characters more effectively in your projects. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.